Figma AI review. Is it worth it? Figma has introduced AI-powered features, but are they really worth it? Let's break it down. Figma AI aims to speed up design workflows by offering auto layout suggestions, instant prototyping, and text-to-design capabilities. This means you can generate UI elements, adjust layouts, and even get design recommendations all with just a few clicks. What is the best part about this? It integrates seamlessly into existing Figma projects, making it easy to refine designs instead of starting from scratch. However, some users report that AI-generated designs lack originality and still require manual tweaks. Also, since it's in early stages, there is a learning curve and not all features work perfectly yet. So, is Figma AI worth it? If you want to boost productivity and automate repetitive tasks, it's a great tool. But for highly customized designs, you will still need a designer's touch. Let me know what you think in the comments. Will you use AI in your design process with Figma or not? Thanks for watching.